forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever. Bad and dead together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know. Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever, ever, ever, ever. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know.
I'm already home. I'm done with whatever took me to town. You first saw me going to the bank. I sorted that issue. Then I went to the Best Lady Cosmetic. Call it Nakuru Cosmetic. I wanted some shampoo for the hair. Right now I'm on natural hair. I don't have anything. We are starting afresh. So my hair is very, very bad, and it's just, let me say, 1 week and some days. So I want to undo it, and I want to wash it at home. So I decided to use Mikala. So this is Mikala shampoo and conditioner. I picked that one, and I also picked this Mikala treatment leave-in. So I picked this. So that is so. And also I wanted a air food, but unfortunately I didn't find for Mikala. So I decided to pick this Adora. It smells good because it's enriched with castor oil and shea butter. So it's so good. So those are the things I wanted to pick. I didn't want to buy things, and I also went to the optician to adjust my specs. They were becoming so loose, and I didn't have money to buy another one. And I only picked this sausage, 1 kg, with smoky. We didn't have one for the breakfast. So those are the things I picked, and I also sorted the issue that I wanted to sort. So I want to undo my hair and wash it and see what we'll do. But I don't know. Let me undo it and wash it, and then I'll tell you what I'll do next. By the way, guys, I felt so good today. This is the feeling. This is the feeling. The feeling, guys. The feeling. So when I was in not Best Lady Cosmetic, I met this Best Lady. Yes, because I went into two. When I was in Best Lady, I met this lady. So she was like smiling at me. You see, now the way someone smiles at you and you're like, he smiles back, because I didn't know who she was. And I was like, oh, I saw her at my workplace, or we've met. And she was like, I know you don't know me, but I know you. And I was just like, now let me know you. Then she told me that I saw you somewhere. And I was like, inside my heart, I was like, those are the people I met in daily work, at work. Then she was, no. Let me remember your name. I usually watch your video on YouTube. Guys, I felt so good. I felt so good. It was so good. Yeah, it was so good. And she's someone who keeps on watching. Anne from Gilgil, thank you so much. Please stay tuned. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate your support. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I felt so good. She really made my morning. In fact, I was very tired. I was from work, so she really made my morning. And at least I now feel if you get one or two people who watches your video, despite of everything which is on the ground, you feel a bit motivated. Thank you so much, Anne. She was so kind, and thank you so much. God bless you. And guys, let me undo my hair, and then we'll meet later.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever, ever. What happened to forever? All the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever. Bad and dead together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? What happened to Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together.
Decided to pick some pizza home because it was on a Thursday, and I decided to take advantage of the offer. So here I was waiting for my order, and yeah, it was ready at this point.
Yes, pizza night.
Those who really enjoy pizza, here they are. He really enjoys pizza, so it's pizza night. Yay!
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah.
So our bike is home. This is the one we picked. Yeah, this is it. It was for 7 years to 9 years. It has this front basket and this, I don't know how they call this, one used to carry people. So this is it. And this is now the one that he was having. He had already outgrown it, and it was really tiresome to ride it. So still thinking whether to sell this one or to gift someone. So this is the new one, and he's ready here. I want to ride it. Yeah guys, so this is the bike.
I don't understand it. I don't understand. Why try so much to get back? That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. I don't understand. Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. Why try so much to get back? That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will.
So guys, I'm done with the washing of the duvet. I'm ready. I want to step out. I want to head to school first. It's the day that we are going to pick baby's assessment book. So I want to drop to school, pick the assessment book, then head to town. I have some errands to run in town. This is the day, this is the day that I want to go and get a TV. We've been having a small TV, and it's finally we need to upgrade. We've started officially upgrading our living room. Yeah, guys. So so let me head out. The face. This is how I've been surviving, guys, with the hair. I think now is a weekend, so I wash it, and yeah, I'm still surviving. So let me head to school, and then I'll pick the camera while I'll be checking for the TV. Yeah, guys. So see, let's meet wahala later. Yeah, guys. So let's meet later.
Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. Why try so much to get back? That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just pretend like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. I don't understand.
I'm home and I want to unbox it and then I'll show you how it looks. So it's Skyworth 4K QLD Google TV. Yeah guys, 55-inch. So you can see the one that we had, it was a Samsung but 32. Yeah, so we've upgraded to Skyworth. Everyone was praising it. We want to see whether whatever people were saying was that. So let me unbox it. I'll not shoot, but I'll show you, or I'll shoot it's night, or I'll shoot tomorrow. I'll show you how it is. So let me unbox and connect everything.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it,